present here, respected chairman sir through not present in admins, respected principal ma'am, dear teachers and my dear fellow students. A warm welcome to our Plastic Bag Free Day celebration. Today we come together to spread awareness about the harmful effects of plastic and to celebrate sustainable living. Let's remind ourselves that small changes can lead to big differences and that can change start with us. Now let's kick off our celebration with a colorful and energetic welcome dance. Put your hands together for our talented performance. That was truly mesmerizing, a perfect start to the event. Let's now witness a true thought-provoking skit titled If Nature Could Speak, performed by our grade 5 students. Let's welcome them a big round of applause.
Good morning everyone, my name is Srivikram. They are my friends. Today we are performing about what nature speaks about plastic pollution. Man, who are you? I am Earth. I gave you forest, water, animals, life itself. But now I felt chalk. Plastic bags, wrappers, you buried everything on me. I can't breathe. My rivers are choking, my animals are dying. Can't you hear their cries?
Hey, senseless man.
Who are you?
I am River. I once danced through valleys singing songs of life, but now I once danced through valleys singing songs of life, but now I carry bottles instead of fish. Children used to play on my bank. Now they fear my stench. You poisoned me, not with weapons, but with wrappers, straws, and your convenience.
How ruthless are you?
Who are you?
I am deer. I searched for food and found a shiny bag. I ate it thinking it was a treat. Now my stomach hurts. Many of my friends are dead, not hunted but triggered by your trash.
How careless are you? I'm Turtle. The ocean was my home, now it's jumping around. The ocean was my home, now it's jumping round. I swim through floating bags like jellyfish and get stuck. I didn't ask for this, none of us did.
Why do you keep doing this? Do you know how much damage it causes?
Just what difference does it make? One plastic bag, bottle, one mistake repeated by millions of times.
We can't clean your mess. Only you can.
Say no to plastic use, cloth bags, jute, steel bottles, recycle and educate others.
Say no to plastic.
Save earth.
Protect the animal. Clean our water.
We are nature's voice. Don't make plastic
silence us.
Thank you.
Now it's time to enjoy a poetic moment. Let's welcome Stuti and Riza to recite a poem on the importance of saving nature.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Stuti. I am grade 3 student. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Riza. I'm from grade 4. Today we are saying a poem. Polybags. Today we are reciting a poem. Polybags here and there. Polybags everywhere. In the water, up in the air. In the water, up in the air. On the roads and everywhere. On the roads and everywhere. They never die, their numbers rise. They never die, their numbers rise. They harm our earth, they harm our life. They harm our earth, they harm our life. So say no to polybags. So say no to polybags. So say no to polybags. Thank you. Say no to plastic.
Such beautiful words and powerful emotions. Thank you both. Let's give them a big round of applause. Next up, grade 4 will perform a comparison skill between a plastic user and natural user. Let's see what lesson we can learn.
Morning children. Morning ma'am. Today we are having a special show and let's welcome our two students. One is plastic user and another is natural user. Hello everyone, I am plastic user. Today I am going to show you all my cool plastic stuff. Hi friends, I am natural user. I will show you how I do the same thing using natural or reusable items. Tada! My plastic water bottle. I throw one away every day. A steel bottle. Here is my name. Stainless steel bottle. I just refill it. No waste. My lunch box stays super fresh with plastic wrap. Wrapped a lunch box. I use beeswax and wrapped a steel tiffin. No plastic, no problem. I carry this for bags and snacks. A metal spoon and a wooden straw. I clean my spoon every day and use them every day. Saves money too. I carry this for books and snacks. A jute bag. Here is mine. It's strong, reusable and does not hurt the earth. Your stuff looks cooler and you are not hurting the planet. Nature gives us so stuff and everything. Thank you.
That was fun and informative. Let us all try to be more like the natural user. Let's call up Satika and Dikshit to say a rhyme on Plastic Day.
Plastic, plastic, everywhere. Here and there, everywhere. We throw it, land, water and air. Here and there, everywhere. Burning plastic, causing pollution, make our body unhealthy.
We throw it in water. It makes water pollution. We throw it in soil. It makes soil pollution. Here and there, everywhere. Thank you.
Now let's welcome grade 4 students with a fun and meaningful skit titled Plastic No Problem.
Good morning everyone. My name is Abu Sufyan. Today we are performing a skit. Today children on plastic and earth health. Look, plastic is everywhere. Plastic harms animal fills our landfills and stay forever.
Help me, help me. I am choking on plastic.
Mother Earth is sad because people throw plastic everywhere.
I am strong. I go to everywhere. Rivers, parks, oceans. You are hurting fish, soil and my breath.
I did not know what we can do.
I am trapped and can be used again and again.
Reusable bottles and recycle plastic correctly.
Thank you, children. You saved me.
We'll clean up and avoid plastic correctly. Say no to plastic, use eco bags and save earth. Thank you.
A big round of applause. That skit delivered a big message in a simple way. Let's invite grade 5 again. This time to deliver a short and strong speech on 3 R's. Reduce, reuse and recycle.
Good morning everyone, my name is Dhaval. Today me and my friends are telling about 3 R's. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Today we want to talk about something that affects all of us, the plastic pollution. Reduce, reuse and recycle. We use plastic every day in bags, bottles and wrappers. But do we ever think where it goes after throwing them away? That's why we follow 3 R's. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Let's reduce plastic. Reduce the use of single-use plastic to protect our environment. Carry reusable bags, bottles and wrappers wherever you go. Every small step to reduce plastic count towards a cleaner earth. Reusing the plastic waste instead of throwing them out after one use. Choose durable products that can be used multiple times. Reusing helps in reduce plastic and save natural resources.
Recycle. Recycle helps to give plastic a new life and reduce pollution on our planet. Recycle helps and separate the trash from our daily trash. Recycling helps to conserve the natural resources and keep our planet clean.
Thank you.
Clear, strong and important. Thank you for sharing such a valuable message. It's time for powerful words in short lines. Let's welcome our students to shout out slogans that raises awareness and sparks change.
Bring along a basket, say no to plastic. Don't be drastic, say no to plastic. Zero plastic, zero regret. No plastic, no problem. If you cannot recycle or reuse, then quickly refuse. Reduce plastic, elevate life.
Less plastic, more life. One chance, say no to plastic.
Time to take a short break from speeches and enjoy another lively dance performance. Let's cheer them with.
कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे अगर सुन लो जो संभले ना हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियां का ये पानी रुक जाएगा
अगर सुन लो जो संभले न हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियां का ये पानी रुक जाएगा
कि कर दो रहम धरती का ये दम भी घुट जाएगा
कि कुदरत की नस नस में जहर ये बस जाएगा
प्लास्टिक के हम सब मोहताज हैं कैसा ये समाज है कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 टिक
प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे
टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 टिक
प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे
सिचुएशन ड्रास्टिक है जहाँ देखो प्लास्टिक है सिचुएशन ड्रास्टिक है जहाँ देखो वही थैली बोतल स्ट्रॉ इत्यादि सर्रे सर्रे में फैला दी ना घट पाए ना मिट पाए रह रह के टॉक्सिक बन जाए इससे छुटकारा तो नहीं पर है एक सरल उपाय रे सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक को हम कह दे बाय बाय रे
Now learn some easy and practical tips to reduce plastic usage from a smart little eco values of grade 3.
Hello everyone, my name is myself Kupra and my friend Niharika. Today we are going to share some tips to reduce plastic bags. Tips to reduce plastic bags. Reduce plastic bags use is a great way to help the environment and minimize waste. Here are all practical tips along with eco-friendly alternatives for common plastic items. For drinks and juices, carry a reusable water bottles like metal, glass. Shopping groceries. Bringing reusable bags, cloth, jute or canvas instead of plastic bags.
Well done, these tips can help each one of us make better choice every day. Now let's welcome Tanveer and Jyotirmay to share their views on the disadvantages of using plastic.
Good evening to everyone. My name is Tanvir. I am from 4th grade. I'm going to tell about disadvantages of plastic. Plastic takes a very long time to decompose. It pollutes lands, rivers and oceans. Plastic harm animals when they eat or get trapped in it.
It can release harmful chemical into food and water. Thank you.
Very well presented. Let's remember awareness is the first step toward change. As we near the end of this today's event, let's take a moment to commit ourselves to the cause. I now invite Jayan to lead as a pledge to say no to plastic.
Good evening everyone. My name is Jan. I am studying in 4th grade. Now we are standing at a crucial moment of our history, a time where our choices will shape the future of our planet. Everyone has the power. Each one of us has the power to make difference. Now let's tell a pledge against plastic. I pledge to reduce my use of single-use plastic. I will carry reusable bags, bottles, containers. I promise to protect nature by making eco-friendly choices. Every step I take is for a cleaner, greener planet. Together we can make a plastic-free world. Thank you.
Thank you, Zayan. Let's hold on that promise in our hearts and actions. Let's conclude. With that, we come to the end of our Plastic Bag Free Day celebration. Thank you all for your participation and support. Say no to plastic and yes to a greener future.